Good morning, friends, and happy Monday. I hope everyone had a fantastic Halloween on Saturday, and I hope everyone enjoyed our virtual Halloween party that came, even though we had some technical difficulties. So let's get into phonics, friends. So today we're going to start with which word doesn't belong based off their beginning sound. Okay, so we did that last week, except it was the middle sound. We're going to learn about R blends, and then we're going to learn 4 new high frequency words. So those are the 3 things we're going to do today. So we're going to get started with which word doesn't belong. That's a mouthful. So I'm going to model, and then we'll practice together. So these are our 3 words to start with. Crack, crumb, and proud. Crack, crumb, proud. So if we listened to each of those words, we can easily tell which word doesn't have the same beginning sound. So crack, so that all has, it starts with an R blend, which is cur, crumb, cur, proud, purr. So proud is the one that doesn't belong. It has a different beginning sound. And so all of our words today that we're listening to are R blends because that's what we're learning about this week. So now I want you to listen to the next one, the next set of words, and think which word doesn't belong. So we have bread, break, and drum. Bread, break, drum. So I want you to take a few seconds and think about which word doesn't belong. So if you need to pause the video and think, that's awesome. And then just go ahead and resume whenever you are ready. Okay, so our 3 words were bread, break, drum. If you said drum doesn't belong, you are correct. So let's listen to the beginning sounds. Bread, break, drum. So bread and break both have the brr R blend, okay? The BR R blend. And drum is the DR blend, so dir, okay? Next one, and our last one, track, trip, ground. Track, trip, ground. So I want you to think. Okay, if you said ground does not belong, you are correct, friends. Good job. 2 thumbs up. So ground starts with our GR blend, which is grr. And track and trip start with our TR blend, which is tur. Okay? So we're going to head on over to our letter tiles, and we're going to learn about 5 different R blends, okay? Okay, friends. So our first R blend is with B and R. So I know B says B and R says But if you blend them together, they say burr, like burr, ache, break. Ed, bread. Brown. Okay, so it says burr. So everybody say that with me. Burr, like burr, it's cold in here, okay? So that's our first R blend. Our next one is CR or KR. So they make the same sound. So we have k, cur, like cur-ab, cur-own, cur, okay? So everybody say that with me. 3, 2, 1, cur. Good job, friends. So, our next one is TR. So we know T says T and R says So it's like app or ip, ack, track. Okay? So I want us to say that all together in 3, 2, 1, tur. Good job, friends. Okay. Excuse me. Our last one is the GR blend. And we know that G says G and R says So we know it's grr. Kind of like a monster saying grr or a dog growling. So let's say that all together. 3, 2, 1, grr. Good job, friends. Okay, so now we're going to practice spelling some R blend words. And I'm going to model the first word for you. And that word is track. Like, we can track what the dog is doing. Or the girl ran around the track. Okay? So we have ack. Well, we know that is TR. That's our R blend. And sometimes if you break apart the sounds like ack, then you can put these two sounds together because you know that's an R blend. So we have which we know that's our letter A. Ack. Okay, so we have the k sound at the end of our word, which we know means it gets a CK. So we have ack, track. Okay, friends, I'm going to give you the next word, and I want you to try it on your own. So the next word is drop. 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 Okay? So I want you to pause the video and write that word, and then come back when you're ready, and we will spell it out together. So we have drop. So let's sound it out. P. So we have which is our DR. Which we know is our O sound. That was our VIP sound from last week. P. We know that is our P sound. So we have P. Drop. Awesome job, friends. Okay, we have one more that I want you to try. And I want you to try crack. Like there was a crack in the ground. Crack. Crack. So I want you to try that on your own. So pause the video and try to write that down. And then come on back and we will spell it together. Okay, so we have cur. We know that's our CR blend. Cur. We know is our A sound. Cur. Okay, we have the k sound at the end of the word. And so that is our CK. Crack. Awesome job, friends. Okay, friends, we're going to head on over to our sight words or our high frequency words, and we are going to learn 4 new ones today. Okay, friends, you know how this goes. We're going to read, write, and spell each of our sight words. So our first, sight word is jump. So we're going to read it 3 times all together. Here we go. Jump. Again, jump. One more time, jump. Awesome job, friends. Now we're going to spell it just like this. J-U-M-P, jump. 3 times all together. Here we go. J-U-M-P, P, jump. Again, J-U-M-P, jump. One more time. J-U-M-P, jump. Awesome job, friends. Now with our magic letters, we're going to write it in the air just like this. J-U-M-P, jump. 3 times all together. Here we go. J-U-M-P, jump. Again, J-U-M-P, jump. One more time. J-U-M-P, jump. Awesome job, friends. Our next sight word is move. Like it is time to get up and move. So we're going to read that 3 times all together. Here we go. Move. Again, move. One more time. Move. Awesome job, friends. And now we're going to spell it just like this. M-O-V-E, move. 3 times all together. Here we go. M-O-V-E, move. Again, M-O-V-E, move. One more time. M-O-V-E, move. Awesome job, friends. Now we're going to spell it with our magic letters just like this. M-O-V-E, move. Okay, 3 times all together. Here we go. M-O-V-E, move. Again, M-O-V-E, move. One more time. M-O-V-E, move. Awesome job, friends. Okay, our next sight word is run. Like we will run during PE. So let's read it 3 times all together. Here we go. Run. Again, run. One more time. Run. Awesome job, friends. Now we're going to spell it 3 times just like this. R-U-N, run. Okay? 3 times all together. Here we go. R-U-N, run. Again, R-U-N, run. One more time. R-U-N, run. Awesome job, friends. Now we're going to write it in the air with our magic letters just like this. R-U-N, run. 3 times all together. Here we go. R-U-N, run. Again, R-U-N, run. One more time. R-U-N, run. Awesome job, friends. Our last sight word for the day is to, like we went to the store. So we have to. We're going to read it 3 times all together. Here we go. To. Again, to. One more time. To. Awesome job, friends. And now we're going to spell it just like this. T-O-2. 3 times all together. Here we go. T-O-2. Again, T-O-2. One more time. T-O-2. Okay, friends, awesome job. Now we're going to write it in the air with our magic letters, just like this. T-O-2. 3 times all together. Here we go. T-O-2. Again, T-O-2. One more time. T-O-2. Awesome job, friends. That is it for today. So we talked about which words don't belong based off their beginning sound. We learned R blends, and we learned 4 new sight words or high frequency words. So you're going to head on over to Seesaw to complete your assignment for today. Have a good day, friends.